Alright, so we're back with another one. Previously we covered on Solana, we covered this website right here. It's Magic Eden, where you can just browse some Solana NFTs, which are more affordable. Remember, Solana is a good entry point if you're a newbie and you want to just start collecting some art that you like, or if you want to just flip. This is not financial advice, but Solana is currently at $147.85, so it's more affordable for you to start messing around with Solana. That's why I'm showing you these websites where you can browse Solana. So today you can go on Solanart, solanart.io. It shows you the top 7 collections. For some strange reason, it's not uploading. Maybe it's my internet. I don't know, because everything else seems to work perfectly fine. And then there's another one called Solsea. So when you go to solsea.io, you come right to the home page. The open NFT marketplace on Solana. Again, the first NFT marketplace that enables creators to choose and embedded licenses when they mint NFTs. Creators know what they're selling, collectors know what they're buying. Join the revolution, so you can just explore, or you can create your own NFT collection and sell it on this platform. So you can just explore, you can look at 3D art, painting, PFP, which is profile picture, photography, trading cards and videos. So here's the name of the collection, and then it goes by the number of it. So this collection is called Famous People. This one's called Celebrities. So there's different types of collections. As usual, as I mentioned before, when you go onto these pages, you're gonna see the price, which is 30 sols. So it's $147 times 30. That's what the actual art goes for. So pretty simple. You connect your wallet here. I'm gonna get into that down the line, not at the moment. So I just want to show the websites that you can go. Solsea.io, and then you have Solanart.io, and then I covered on the previous episode magiceden.io. And here's just coinmarketcap.com, where you can just see what Ethereum is trading for, what Solana is trading for, which are the most popular cryptocurrencies in this NFT space at the moment. So, remember this IO, it's cryptocurrencies are steering away from the .com. A lot of websites end with .io. So, just want to point that out. Always remember that you might be looking up for it at solsea.com, and it's just not going to work. It's .io. So, let's see, PFP, profile picture. Let's take a look at what types of stuff pops up. I actually have a project that I minted listed on this website, Solsea. It still hasn't sold. It was like a NFL collection or something. Like they're doing every single team. I have mine up for sale for 1 sol, which it still hasn't sold, and hopefully it does sometime down the line, because it's this very risky business getting into the NFT space. I've lost a couple sol, luckily it's just sol, not Ethereum, because if it's in Ethereum, you're going to lose a lot of money. But, I'm getting my feet wet with Solana because it's more affordable, and now with practice, I'm getting more familiar with, developing my own strategy on how I want to go about it. So these are PFP projects. Typically this is what you would see on somebody's profile. That's why it's called PFP. So, I don't really engage much on this website, Solsea. I don't know, it's just because of the volume, which is something that, like an example, we'll click on here, and we'll go to the collection. Okay, so it's called Ape Monks, and when you're here, you'll see the floor price, how many are listed, and the volume. So they don't really get a lot of volume on this website. Not all projects. Some projects do, but Magic Eden, like, you can just, let's click on this, see if it's even out yet. Well, whatever that is, that's not cool. Let's get something that's already new collection. So let's hit retro reindeer. So I guess that's not out yet either. All right, the remnants. You can check this out. So you can see the volume. 5,000 sol were invested into this website for this one project. So you want to go somewhere where there's a lot of volume if you're looking into making money in this industry. So this is not financial advice, just making some pointers depending on what angle you want to come into this space, whether you want to be a collector or you're just looking to come in and flip your money. You want to definitely pay attention to volume, so just wanted to make that. Again, I don't know what's up with Solana art right now. It's definitely not my internet because everything else is uploading, so it must be something going on with their website. So just wanted to point out more Solana websites where you can check out some art and collect and get your feet wet. Like I said, Solsea, you got Solana art, and you got Magic Eden. And if I find more, I'll do a video to cover that. Seems like Solana is the most popular for people right now because it's really not expensive. That may be the main reason why it gets a lot of popularity on YouTube and stuff like that, because it's not a very expensive entry point to get your feet wet with NFTs. So very simple, as time passes, and like I said, for those that are viewing it and you like the content, like, subscribe, share it. I'm just here to share my thoughts and my journey, so you can get a better understanding of this NFT space. Get your feet wet. There will be more videos coming soon with how to get the Solana wallet, how to get the Ethereum wallet, which I actually have a Phantom wallet and a MetaMask wallet, because I have been getting my feet wet with this stuff. I'm not really scared of it. It might look scary, but you always fear what you don't understand. The moment that you get your feet wet, you'll be able to play around with all of this. You just want to be real cautious and not have all your money in one wallet. You want to just have two separate wallets, one for your big bag, and then one wallet for you to go mint and play around in case it gets hacked or anything. You don't lose all your money. So simple as that. Check you on the next one. Like, subscribe, share, dislike, do whatever you please. Peace out.